least amount of honks gets X smashed on their head. 10 minutes. Start now. That's one. No, cars don't count. That's two. That was a car. I'll give it to you.
Yes.
That's four. Fine, that's fine. That's six. That counts. What do you want now? 6, 7, 6, 7. It's a tow truck, so it counts. 10 for Toby. 1 minute left, 1 minute. 11 for Toby. This one might count, it's a baby truck.
There you go.
Alright, you got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cut off! No honk from him.
Didn't even honk in the first
How many
one.
points did you get?
13.
13, let's go.
Three?
That's four. Gosh. That counts. That's it. That's 6. Yes. Oh, one of it. Somebody. What the hell goes my hat? That's 11.
Low budget.
Not all the eggs, because I wanna throw one. I'm gonna smash the first one, and then you can go for it, yeah?
Go for it.
So it's just gonna hurt. Oh,
That's disgusting.
it's like a little bit of pain at the start, and then it's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna do your favour.
You know, eggs good for your hair. No, don't. That's just gonna make it worse. Yes, just slammed off me. Nice to meet you. Just slam it. Yeah, that'll do. Next.
It's just disgraceful.
Okay, go. Hurry up, quick.
Alright, you've got to enjoy this. Why are you taking your time?
I'm not enjoying this. You're enjoying this. Yeah, that'll do.
Didn't work. It didn't work.
No, we're just bullying it. All right, go. No, just. Oh, no, just full. Bam it.
Yes,
Otherwise it'll hurt. Okay, you're just taking the air out of me right now. All right, just on the head. Clear the others. All right, now stand from like a meter away and see if you can throw one at my head. Don't hit the rest of me.
No.
Ah.
Oh, that hurt.
All right. Yep, perfect. Subscribe. Doesn't make
Sorry,
much
guys.
I'm gonna use that so much.
Not actually wrong about that.